Hey everybody, KP here. Time for another edition of Toolbox Lunch. As you can see, I got chili and Fritos. Got my little burner. There's my toolbox. And I got everything set up, ready to go. Just gotta get everything put together. Time to fire this bad boy up. Alright. I know one is burning. I can see the flamage. Let's catch it on to the other one. Different job site today. Got people working on the car. They did a tune up and it was smoking like crazy, and now it's cleared up and they just revving the engine, see if it's gonna smoke anymore. Alright, we got the flamage. I'm putting my pot on. Let me go ahead and open up my can and put it in there. Alrighty, I got it in there. Just need to spread it out some. Next time I do this, I'm gonna have to do it with my own homemade chili. Now we got it, it's already percolating. Let me go ahead and stir this up. Definitely takes two hands with this stuff. Let it cook. Move my Fritos out of the way before the flames start getting to it. Seems like today this one's cooking a lot faster than the other ones have. Got two of the tablets in there, as you can see. It's pretty good flamage. I'm going to go ahead and spin this around. Let it cook evenly since it's only doing one side. That's why I like to use two hands to stir this stuff. This is safe to use inside your house. Doesn't release any toxic gases or anything. Alright, just got it stirred up. You can see it's already steaming real good, percolating. The chili is cooking faster than any of the other two I did. It'll be ready to eat soon. Let me go ahead and stir it up again. Then next time I cook chili, definitely going to have to bring some Rotel tomatoes and some Buron sausage. It's almost burnt out all the way, but still producing pretty good flames. Got pretty good heat still going through it. Slowly dying out, but still cooking. And this pot that I use, it's really easy to clean. It's already, well, we got a little bit of flame left in there, not much. It burns all the way out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my Fritos in a container and put some chili on it. I'm good to go. Time to transfer. I need two hands. I'm gonna have to bring my tripod next time I do this. And there you have it. Chili and Fritos Toolbox lunchtime. Simple to do, and it's good for you. Alrighty, see y'all on the next one.